Hi everyone! Spring is here, and it's the perfect time for a picnic. Let's make some cute baskets. Take a piece of thick cardboard and mark the height you need. This will be the basket walls. Draw a circle and cut it out. That's the base. Now grab some fabric. This will line the inside. Place the cardboard pieces on the fabric and trace around them. Glue the fabric onto the cardboard pieces. Use a small amount of glue so it doesn't soak through the fabric or leave stains. Make sure the fabric is slightly bigger than the cardboard pieces. Trim the excess, leaving a little edge so you can fold and glue it neatly on the back. Next, glue a jute rope right in the center and start wrapping it in a spiral. Carefully glue the jute rope as you wrap it around. Once that's done, attach the base to the walls. For the handle, take a small zip tie. Shape it and attach it to the basket. Now wrap the jute rope around the basket, gluing it as you go. Then do the same with the handle. And done! I made 2 baskets and shaped them slightly oval. The glue did soak through a bit, so I had to add another piece of fabric to the bottom, but I think it looks neater this way. Well, we're not going on a picnic with empty baskets, so let's fill them. Let's see what's inside. So in the first one we got Eggo Minis pancakes, Pop-Tarts, corn nuts, Smucker's Uncrustables, and Jif peanut butter. Let's check the second one. Eggo buttermilk waffles, more Smucker's Uncrustables, but this time strawberry, Talenti caramel cookie crunch gelato, Hostess cupcakes, and the Laughing Cow cheese. Let's fill the jar with peanut butter and place it in the basket. Now it's time for the gelato. Mix it, and into the jar. Oops! That looks delicious. Let's see what's inside the Laughing Cow package. Wow, they look just like the real thing. Waffles. Take them out and into the basket. Pancakes. Into the basket. Let's keep going. Everything fits perfectly. Don't forget a spoon for the gelato and a knife for the peanut butter. Cute little plates to serve everything at the picnic. One more and done! A beautiful spring day in the park, a picnic full of treats, great company, and a good mood. That's all you really need. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye-bye!